And tonight's adventure takes place in Chattanooga, Tennessee at Lake Winnie for their Halloween horror-themed nights, Lake WinnepeSPOOKah. We have cleared the hill from Tennessee to Georgia, and the first thing we were greeted by, Lake WinnepeSPOOKah. How do you say it?
Lake WinnepeSPOOKah.
And the crowd is lining up to be scared. And here we have the information sign. It's $30 to get in. The guest age 1 and 2 is 21. Magic shows, light shows, thriller parade, haunted attractions after 8. And the boys have super spiky hair for this event. And all of a sudden, music started playing and a green hearse came out of nowhere. What's going on? People are getting out of there. What? What is happening? Okay, so we have entered, and the haunted houses don't open until 8. But look what we have here. A Live from Dusk Till Dawn, Roll the Dice Play, Mystery Room. Pretty cool. Oh, don't forget about the Gator Boy. He's alive. And I'm gonna throw Porter in clown jail. Ah! That's one spooky skull. All right, so we're over at the kids area. Let's see what we're gonna get into. Do we wanna do the boats or the ladybugs? Porter, you pick first. Here they come. And while we were on the parachute ride, I noticed all the buckets all in the tree. Nice touch. It's the ladybugs. Here we go. And Palmer and I are about to go on the bee ride together. Palmer, are you ready?
Yeah.
And somebody has fallen into the water and there's an owl on their boot. And Mommy and Porter are about to ride the Matterhorn. And as you can see, the Matterhorn is a sled theme ride. It's actually pretty neat. And now it's going full speed. All right, and we are right along the main strip out here on the pond, or should I say lake for Lake Winnie. They have boats with skeletons in them, and Porter's about to ride the pirate ship. It is time for the pirate ship. Porter, are you ready? And instead of Dumbo, the kids are about to ride the infamous Jumbo time. The sun has now set at Lake WinnepeSPOOKah. The mischief begins now. Come on, Ducky. And that place right there is actually a really good place to get funnel cake. So here we go to the main drag at Lake Winnie. There's some Wawa. They've got some games, some good old-fashioned carnival games. Guys, let's hit up the Wacky Factory. And we've made it to the Wacky Factory. Palmer and Daddy, Wacky Factory twins. How was it, Porter? Oh. Grin's last smiles. Here we go. All right, Palmer. Let's see what is in here. What is this kind of illusions? Let's see, Palmer K. What's this over there? A little doll. Oh! Oh, spooky. Whoa, look at that big dragon thing on there. Whoa. Nice. Look, Palmer. He's got earrings everywhere. Ooh. This is not very wacky. It's haunted. They tricked us. Where is the face? It's behind them. Oh, let's get a little bit faster. Oh, we're going up a little bit now. Palmer K, look at that clown up there. Now, if that does not spook you out, look up there, Palmer. Woo! How's that, Palmer? We go into the tunnel that used to spin, but spins no more. Here we go, Palmer. Oh no, Palmer, hold on. A spider, a spider. Boom, we made it, Palmer. Palmer, you did amazing. Very good job, girl. And behind the Wacky Factory, we have a scrambler and the Wacky Worm, which is a baby coaster. And Mama and Emmett is on that car ride, none other than, there it is. It is now time to ride. Let's get a POV shot. There is Anna back there, animatronic. What's up, Porter? It's a stick up. And Porter is driving the antique car all by himself. And there goes Emmett driving. And Emmett is coming in hot. Woo! Palmer K, what are you doing? There goes the Wacky Factory horn. Here we have some more spooky props going on. And animatronic and KK Screams is currently on there somewhere. Here's Porter on the frog hopper. Here we have the Cannonball roller coaster. Kids are still a little bit too small. We'll have to show you guys this another time. Here's a pretty good banner. Spookah. And each ride they have categorized with a pumpkin, kid friendly, with a ghost, spooky, with a skull, terrifying, not suitable for under 12. And that's really cool out there on the water, Lake WinnepeSPOOKah. Palmer, you wrote it, you did it. All right, guys, we're finally gonna be able to go into the Clown College. Here we go. All right. Let's see what we have in here. Uh-oh. Foam noodle. What could be on the other side? The cotton candy. Well, we just went through the Clown College. They asked me to turn off the cameras, so I did. Porter, what did you think of it? That was really the first kind of haunted house that Porter has been through. He did really good, and they actually had some pretty scary parts. So, Clown College at Lake WinnepeSPOOKah, very good. Well, that concludes our Lake WinnepeSPOOKah vlog. Thank you for coming with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.